This is a 2018 Kia Optima LX, which is on the lower end of the trim level, but still has a lot of features that people need. It is a solid car, it's reliable, and once people discover how great this car is, they fall in love with it. This is a mid-size sedan that, you know, competes with the Camry and the Accord and a few other vehicles. You know, just when you look at it, you know, from the advanced design, this is called the Tiger Grille. It's just a little nicer looking vehicle, and it just really commands attention. If you look at the styling, you sit in it. When you put your hands on the steering wheel, you know that the materials are made really well, and you know it's not cheap, and it's going to last a few years. So whether you're leasing the car or purchasing the car, you're going to feel comfortable with this. Navigation.
Directions to where?
Encinitas.
Getting directions to Encinitas.
You can plug your Android Auto, your iPhone, and you can have all the features that your phone has. And what's really funny about that is that a lot of people that have spent $2,000 on their navigation use their phones anyway. So now this displays up on a nice big screen. So one of the things that Kia has really done very well was listen to the customer base and trying to make changes based on what, you know, our customers are telling them they would like to see change. So I've seen an evolution since I've been here, and it seems like every year the cars are getting better and better and better. When you drive it, when you experience it, a lot of the owners are very loyal, and it's for a good reason, because they have good experiences with it, and it's not breaking the bank. If you look at the material of this, it's really, really well constructed. You're not going to rip this stuff. You're not going to wear it out. So the one nice thing is a very deep trunk. There's also the ability to lay the seats. Both of the seats will fold down by simply open that, and the seats will fold down. You have all that room. You can look at everything from the quality of the paint, you know, the way the doors close, the way everything meets. Just all the lines and detail that they put. You know, it's a nice car. It's a really nice car. It's well designed. It's designed for fuel efficiency. And even in the gas models, the fuel economy is really above board. And then you can also get this in a hybrid or a hybrid plug-in, which exponentially, I mean, you're getting really, really good fuel savings. There's so much style in the car. Really, if you look at it, you know, you would think, and if you didn't look at the badging on it, didn't know what, it's hard for people to really say, oh, that's this or that. It has a strong European design to it. They're putting together a lot of things in a car that is a base price, but you're getting above and beyond a base price car. So a lot of value to that.